Hello guys, welcome to MEDICOBUDDY. Today we are discussing about Louis Pasteur and his contributions to microbiology. Louis Pasteur was a professor of chemistry in France, but his studies on fermentation led him to take interest to work in microbiology. And today he is known as the father of microbiology. Regarding the contributions, there are 9 points. First one, he proposed the principles of fermentation, which is used for the preservation of food. Then he introduced the sterilization techniques. Third one, he developed steam sterilizer, hot air oven and autoclave. Then he contributed for the vaccine development against several diseases such as anthrax, fowl cholera and rabies. He described the method of pasteurization of milk. He disproved the theory of spontaneous generation of disease and postulated the germ theory of disease. Germ theory of disease states that the disease cannot be caused by bad air or vapor, but it is produced by the microorganism present in the air. Then he introduced the liquid media concept, in which we can grow the microorganism using the nutrient broth. And finally, he was the founder of Pasteur Institute, Paris. Thank you guys.